I'm pleased to introduce another HAZET product to you today, the Open Hose Reel 9040OS-10 for compressed air. I'm sure you're already familiar with various hose and cable reels from our range. Automatic hose reels are really popular because they help keep the workshop tidy and spacious. So no more hoses lying around and cluttering up the place, thus reducing the risk of accidents. An open hose reel has several advantages. Firstly, the open construction prevents the accumulation of dirt. Secondly, it allows visual inspection of the hose at any time. Our open hose reel consists of a solid, and thus very stable, steel construction with a robust swiveling base. For easy installation, we've integrated drilling templates on the cardboard packaging. This allows you to easily mark the holes to be drilled in the wall. As with closed hose reels, a potential swivel range of 180 degrees is possible here. A 20-meter-long hybrid polymer hose for compressed air with an inner diameter of 10 millimeters is integrated. The connection hose length is 1 meter and the maximum permissible working pressure is 12 bar. The open hose reel features a spring return with ratchet locking holders. A German air connection nipple for the air inlet is included in delivery. Our HAZET safety coupling 9000-061 can be used optionally. This enables greater safety in the workshop by preventing the hose from hitting objects or persons. If you want to learn more about it, I recommend the video explaining our safety air couplings, available in the link at the end. By the way, the net weight of the open hose reel is just 11.68 kilograms. It can be used in a temperature range of -40 to 60 degrees Celsius. If you often have compressed air hoses lying on the floor and you finally want to bring order and safety to your workshop, our open hose reel 9040OS-10 is just the thing for you. If you prefer a closed hose reel, we've also got just the right product for you in our portfolio, our 9040N-10 hose reel. This detailed video will tell you all about our safety couplings. Subscribe to our channel and don't miss any more product news from our company. Thanks for watching.